In this video, you'll learn how to generate test cases using Claude Code. This process involves creating a project folder, setting up a Python environment, and writing a script that interacts with the Claude API to generate unit tests for your code. Start by creating a project folder. Open your terminal and type the command mkdir claude_testgene to create a new directory. After that, navigate into this directory by entering the Claude_testgen. It is important to ensure that you are in the correct folder before proceeding to the next step. Next, you have the option to create a Python virtual environment to manage your project dependencies. If you are using Linux or Mac OS, type python-m ven v ven and then activate it with sourceven/bin/activate. For Windows users, the command will be python-ben ven v followed by ven v scripts activate. Activating the virtual environment helps isolate your project's dependencies from other projects. Now you will need to install the required packages. In your terminal, type pip install requests python-dotten. This command will download and install the necessary libraries that allow your script to make HTTP requests and manage environment variables effectively. The next step involves adding your Claude API key to the environment. Use the command echo Claude_API_key =sign your _real_API_key_ here, replacing your _real_API_key_ here with your actual Claude Code API key. This step is crucial as it allows your script to authenticate with the Claude API when generating test cases. Now, create a test generation script by typing code generate_tests.py quotes in the terminal. This command will open a new file in your code editor. In this file, you will paste the provided Python code. This script loads your API key, reads the specified code file, generates a prompt for test case generation, and sends a request to the Claude API. Make sure to replace quote path / to /codefile.py quote in the usage message with the actual path to your code file. Once your script is ready, save the file and return to the terminal. Run the script using the command python generate_tests.py /my_project /my_code.py. This will generate a new file named quote my_code.tests.py quote in the same folder as your original Python file. Afterward, you can execute the generated tests by installing pytest with pip install pytest and running pytest /my_project /my_code.tests.py. This will automatically run the tests created by Claude Code. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.